Hi, to prepare this recipe, start adding 150 grams of lentils in a recipient, then cover with water and let stay the lentils in water for at least half hour. Cut the chorizo into small slices. As it has a lot of fat, use less chorizo and more ham. And even don't use chorizo at all if you prefer. Cut one onion in 4 pieces and peel 2 potatoes and cut in regular pieces. On a big pot, add 2 carrots, the onion, the potatoes, 1 tomato cut in half, 100 grams of ham cut in really small pieces, chorizo, some bay leaves, 3 peeled garlic cloves, the lentils and some salt. Add plenty of water, cover with a lid and cook between 50 minutes and 1 hour. Check if you need more salt. Near the end of cook time, taste lentils to check if you need to cook them for more time. Hope you liked this recipe. See you next time!